On the 3rd of March, 2020, as the world began to feel the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, Warren Buffett, one of the most renowned investors in history, gave an interview to CNBC to discuss the financial market at that moment of uncertainty. Known for his rational and long-term investment approach, Buffett offered valuable advice to investors facing one of the most turbulent periods in recent decades. The interview took place during a time of extreme volatility. Global markets were reacting to the growing fear of the pandemic and its economic consequences. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had suffered abrupt declines in the preceding days, and investors worldwide were on high alert. Many feared that the health crisis could trigger a severe recession, leading to hasty decisions such as the massive selling of assets. However, Buffett, true to his value-based investment philosophy, emphasized that crises also present opportunities. His advice was clear: do not act on impulse and maintain a long-term perspective. For him, moments of market panic can create unique opportunities for those who are prepared and disciplined. Over the years, Buffett has been an advocate of patience and strategic thinking when it comes to investments. In his interview, he reinforced that events like the pandemic are inherent to the economic cycle and that the market always recovers in the long run. His main message was a call for calm and rationality amid the chaos. The relevance of Buffett's words goes beyond the specific moment in which they were spoken. His lessons on resilience, patience, and the importance of not reacting emotionally to the market remain relevant and can be applied to any economic crisis. His CNBC interview served as a powerful reminder that even in times of uncertainty, a well-founded strategy is essential for long-term financial success. Now that we have established the context and significance of this speech, let's take a deeper look at the key points Buffett addressed and the strategies he proposed for dealing with market turbulence. In this interview, Buffett emphasized three essential pillars for investors to navigate times of crisis: patience, a long-term mindset, and identifying opportunities. He pointed out that volatile markets test investors' emotions and that many make mistakes by making decisions based on fear. Buffett used his experience to illustrate that markets have historically gone through cycles of highs and lows, but in the long run, those who remain invested in quality assets achieve better results. He mentioned that during past crises, such as the previous financial crisis, investors who remained calm and continued investing reaped rewards years later. One of the key points of his analysis was the distinction between value and price. Buffett explained that price is what you pay, but value is what you get. This means that during market downturns, many solid companies become undervalued, representing buying opportunities for those who can identify good businesses. He also emphasized the importance of avoiding speculation and following a disciplined strategy. Throughout the interview, Buffett warned against the temptation to predict the short term and stressed that investors should focus on the fundamentals of the companies they invest in rather than being swayed by alarming headlines or momentary market movements. Ultimately, Buffett's central message was a reminder that crises have always existed and always will, but those who can control their emotions and make well-founded decisions achieve better results. His pragmatic approach and confidence in long-term economic growth reinforced the importance of investing with patience and rationality. Buffett's interview with CNBC raises an important reflection on the mindset needed to deal with economic crises. His approach highlights the importance of discipline and a long-term vision, principles that can be applied not only to investments, but also to various areas of personal and professional life. The concept of patience, for example, is fundamental for those seeking sustainable success. In the financial market, impulsive decisions often result in significant losses, and the same logic applies to businesses, careers, and even everyday life. The ability to resist immediacy and focus on continuous growth can be a crucial differentiator in achieving long-term goals. Furthermore, the distinction between value and price, mentioned by Buffett, is a concept applicable beyond the world of investments. In consumption, for instance, it is common for individuals to be drawn to goods or services based solely on price, without evaluating the actual quality of what they are purchasing. Adopting a mindset focused on the real value of things can lead to smarter and more sustainable choices. Another relevant point from the interview is the need to avoid emotional reactions in times of crisis. This applies not only to the financial market, but also to business management, relationships, and personal challenges. Those who remain calm and analyze situations with clarity tend to make better decisions, avoiding losses caused by panic or haste. In this way, Buffett's lesson goes beyond the economic context and teaches us about the importance of resilience and emotional intelligence. Whether in times of global uncertainty or individual challenges, maintaining a strategic and well-founded perspective can be the key to long-term success and stability. Once again, Buffett presents us with valuable lessons that transcend the financial market. His speech reinforces that patience, rationality, and a long-term vision are essential not only for investors, but for anyone seeking stability and sustainable growth. With that in mind, here is an invitation to reflect. How can we apply these principles in our daily lives, whether in financial planning, professional decision-making, or the way we handle personal challenges? Buffett's approach teaches us that acting with intelligence and serenity can lead to better outcomes. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, comment, and share this content. And of course, subscribe for more reflections on great speeches and their timeless lessons.